Okay, people, my second ever published video. In the corner we've got model rail, don't mind the rest of my bedroom. There's garden rail, there's another garden rail in the corner. There's favourite railway journeys. I just got this, the Great Western Railway. Model Railway Printing and Design Handbook. You can't really see half of the railway and design. We've got Thomas and his friends collection. We've got Emery. We've got Thomas Goes Crash. Thomas's new friends. Thomas and Bertie's race. Percy, Thomas, Finn, James, Thomas's rusty wheels. Guys, please like and subscribe. I really need this. Please. Please. Just please. Please. Just like and subscribe. Please. I'll do a video on every single one of these, okay?